What's going on YouTube?
Hey, look, just a quick video to give you guys some information about your flyer programs, to get more eyes on your flyer program like I'm doing here. You can advertise your flyer program or whatever business you have in a couple of these magazines right here. One is called the Liberty Press, and the other one is called Shore to Shore magazine. So if you have a program, online program, if you're promoting a flyer program, I can't even get it out of my mouth. If you're promoting your flyer program like I am, you can advertise in these two publications. Those are the two I get. And if you're interested in more information, you can go to, hold that up right there. Go to that website right there. If you can see that. XL, let me read that. XLBWORLD.com. Check out that website, and there's lots and lots and tons of information that you can get. And it's different programs in there that lots and lots of people are promoting. And you can find a lot of great information. So if you're promoting something like this, like I am, check these publications out. You can't go wrong with them. Alright, that's all I had to say today. Take it easy. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.